is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
You're watching the Weather Channel, the Hurricane Authority. Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 87 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. A tropical storm warning, a hurricane watch, and a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with showers and thunderstorms. High 87. Chance of rain 70%. Rainfall near 1/4 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour late. For tonight, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 78. Winds southeast at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. On Wednesday, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. High 85. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Our week ahead. Traffic congestion for our area.
You're watching the Weather Channel, the Hurricane Authority.
Life, that's what Tropical Storm Ernesto has done so far.
Florida, the clouds are on the increase. We've had a few light showers, but more deteriorating weather going on just offshore. I'll show you a radar and let you know what the mayor wants you to know in South Florida. Coming up on a live report.
And boats would do better than cars in some parts of the country. We're tracking the risk for flooding rain and our latest tropical troublemaker now on Day Planner. Well, good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Kevin Robinson.
And I'm Christina Abernathy. Thanks for joining us.